Then can't do a thing like a me, but than a me. Over there.
Make sure you tell us we love you.
Box cover, this is DuttyBerry and welcome to another social media countdown. It's a Friday, so we hope we have plans for the weekend because we can't just sit down home and don't nothing. Don't be like me. I want better for y'all. I want y'all to have fun and to actually have a social life. Well, anyway, if we're downtown, we're just bored and there but like myself and have nothing to do, I am here to entertain you and to keep you guys company on the Friday. So if you're watching the live premiere, make sure you say, thumbs up, fire emoji, like up the live, share it, just do all of the little shrips them. Okay, and if you're new here, please go ahead and just subscribe in the meantime, because where you wait, man. Anyway, let's get into today's Friday social media countdown.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in there. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happened on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 5, Dale 90s art burritos. So I don't know if you remember the Instagram personality, content creator, comedian by the name of Ellie Diviner. Now he's fully going by the name of Dale Elliott. The man is a big, way they consider now stand-up comedian, putting on his own shows and, be selling out the stages. And so he recently put out a video where they call it now, making a parody of what 90s music videos used to be like. Take a look.
Ain't no use pretending you don't feel the way I do. Check it with this message at the body same thing. I can tell you wanna do. What do you wanna hide the way you feel inside? It's too late to turn back now. Every little touch it means so much. So just let me show you how. Your body can lie to me, 'cause I know just what you need. Your body can lie to me. So for me to say for you.
Yeah, man, we are talking about the Maxi Priest. I just wanna be close to you. Do anything you want me to. I just wanna be close. You need to do one now with like, what you call it now? I told you about this girl, her name is Maxine. Her beauty's like a bunch of rose. And anything about Maxine, you would just say, I don't know what I know. Yeah, man, they say that someone too young, I don't remember it, I don't remember them foundation song, yeah, them something I'm supposed to know. I'm not supposed to know them song, yeah, man, when people say, put down the knives, the sticks and the stones, and let Jesus as your own. Don't turn him away, accept him. Alright, you see, that's why I want to tell me every time if you just loud the little singing, but I'm not listening, So that is it, burritos now. So let me know which music video you'd like for him to spoof next. Sound off below. Alright, burritos now, so promo time. So this is for all the people who want job opportunities in Canada. Let me just go and give you the rundown. So this is for class 1 long haul truck drivers. Make sure say uno reach the YGR Education and Immigration Expo 2024. Where will it be held? It will be held on the 23rd of August 2024, 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. at the AC Hotel in Kingston, Jamaica. And by the way, pre-registration is mandatory, it's necessary. You have to go and do it. So if you want more information, go ahead and follow them on Instagram at YGR_IS. Alright? Number 4, Jerry, not me. Me lied. R.I.P. burritos now. Like me to put Jerry on the countdown some time ago when he was learning how to drive. And now he's back at it again because the brother, him very duplicitous. Big up Miss Kitty. Very duplicitous. The man look on a phone with him video in there and tell the girl, say I never him. Watch.
Come in, come off of this, you know.
Jerome, who this lie down?
A man, them make put down there. Them can't make it up in a film, you know. I want to you.
Jerry, are you?
Me say it's not me. I don't go down the practical. I never go down there.
Jerome, it's you.
Them can't do a thing like a me, but not me. Over there.
Jerome, are you this?
Me never go down there.
Look on the
Me not
screen.
young.
Look on the screen and identify.
Yeah, man, so you know, so Jerry, one of them man there with them, you know, them have a little money in them pocket, them got one little bar and you know, yeah, sir. I got a little bar, make it look, yeah, sir. You know, you go around a little room around that, sir. And you pay, these are things that I've read and reports many times on like CVM, RJR, Glean and done under the polls. So basically, the information that I'm sharing is what I would have gathered through various reports that would have been made, like Giovanni Dennis, Javon Keys, Curleen Brown, like, yeah, man. So I'm just pulling. So if you hear me mentioning things that seem specific, it's because I've read a lot and watched a lot of news reports that are all on the media, I just try to stay informed as a good Jamaican citizen. You have to keep abreast of all the current issues that we are facing at this time. So during the video now, I get him look a dance and all kind of something. I'll get lift up on all kind of things. And Jerry still I say I never him. And you know what kill me? Is when the brother say, remember them I use technology now enough to make people look like other people. And I was just like, as much as him is a liar, very smart. Very smart because we know how the AI thing I work nowadays. I'm like, why this is him kinda ate with that. Yeah man. The little idea a while ago, yeah man, him Papa Shaggy, it wasn't me. And so if I never him, then I'm going to believe him. So let me know, Berritos, was that indeed Jerry in the video, or is she making up a wicked piece of life on the brother? Sound off below. I never him, man, I never Jerry. Number 3, Dream Weekend chat-ins. Our Berritos though, so let me just tell you this now. Like, I've never been to Dream Weekend, but I've heard about the things that were going on Dream Weekend. Me hear about the things that were going on Dream Weekend. And one of the rules is that you're not supposed to go Dream Weekend if you're committed. Not if you're committed, don't go Dream Weekend. Don't no say have somebody a foreign, have somebody a town, have somebody a country, and go Dream Weekend. You're supposed to go Dream Weekend when you're single and you're fully ready to mingle. Okay? And so, you know, this brother decided to put out a PSA, but I think he put out the PSA a tad bit too late. Watch.
Now that I'm back from Jamaica, I just want to make a public service announcement. If your girlfriend was at Reunion Grill between the times of Dream Weekend, August the 2nd to the 6th, forget it, bro. Forget it, bro. Forget it, bro. Forget it. When I tell you that place was a whorehouse, I wasn't even there. I was in a B&B. But the things that I've seen, Reunion Grill, from August the 2nd to the 6th, if they was in that time frame, that was not your girlfriend. I promise you. I promise. On everything I love, I promise you.
Yeah, man, you know, I said the message is fine, you know, but like the message just a little bit too late, because by them time that the girl them done dash out and jump out and split and all kind of something there and gone with them for gone and gaggle up Listerine and them look something there and who didn't for go swallow them pill already and all that look something there now. So like 9 months time now people have come back to Jamaica now because them go here so them go have, you know, juice go bust on people and then them have to come back now and pop their own balloon, you know, because sometimes the cherry don't pop already now and then hymen and let go all over the place now and then people know the DNA so them have to come to Mary show called Jerry Springer come to Susan show reunite the entire family, and this is what leads to like broken homes now. So then the people they have all kind of mental illness now because Jesus people, where are you, daddy? Where are you, mommy? I cannot bring this together because it's not High School Musical, so nobody can be all in this together. So the people they just independent, gone on the roadside now, I'm mad out now, and then here we are as a society where we are just suffering, all because of Dream Weekend. So that's where Jamaica they wait there because of these things at Dream Weekend. No other problem. Dream Weekend. All right? All right, next topic.
Now, here is this week's random video of the week.
Duck, side, skip to the left, dodge them on the right. Duck, side, bad man, go ahead, move, not.
Number 2, swing, drop, art burritos. You know, I like when people are living their lives and life is good and them just have a little moment with them, but them toe, them trip. I do not know why I find these things hilarious, but I don't want to be judged. Me like it. One of the favorite things I have is like when you see one like a picnic all around. Like, me not talk when they drop them when they got really meme themselves, you know. Me I talk when them look a cute little drop, like when them they are Devon House, and you see them all with the ice cream and the mother wicked, forgot all, give them all like all two scoop and no, so the picnic can barely manage to keep themselves upright. And you see them run, some of them see one little stone and then drop and like, ah! And them start ball and them just start laugh because it's funny. I don't know, boy, maybe that make me a bad person, but it's hilarious. Little kids, they take a tumble. And when I tell them, don't, you cannot manage, and them try it, and I'm like, ah! Oh, God, it's hilarious. Oh, God. Anyway, so these people know they're not kids. I wouldn't do that on a countdown. What if I have videos and I pick them a drop, send it to me so I can laugh. Anyway, so this now, it look like this woman decide for, where's this blue hole? I one of them places now, she decide for go jump off now, and it never go according to plan. Just, watch.
I began to pass on. And my head hit the wall. Boom. But I had a praying grandmother.
You see what happens when you don't listen? You see what happens when you don't listen? This is no. This now could have preached a sermon. You have to know when to let go. You have to know when to let go. You get me? Like all me now, I have like all whole heap of baby weight. Don't need to let it go. The belly need to go from COVID, that to we better let it go. If you're in a relationship and the relationship not serve you, know when to let go. You know, say from year 3 and you hold on party till it reach all year 50 now, and now it come like you're stuck. You're stuck and you can't get pulled out. Know when to let go. This woman look like so she did that to listen to Wayne Wonder song. Where you sang the name again? No letting go. Yeah, man, actually I sang before she do it. I introduced listen before she go and she take the words them seriously. The woman did say no letting go. And then she nearly clapped herself in her back and looked there. Radam. You see what happened? That is it. Okay, but I hope that she's doing well because boy, that did embarrassing. That was very embarrassing. Okay. The experience I couldn't enjoy mental at all. Until you forget the word. Enjoymentical. It's back. And so we're moving to another video now. And this comes from, wait, I don't know where the youth did it. But him look like, I try to wonder what could have gone and make him, it's like I tired him tired. Me don't know, him just now watch him step, him now shadow him foot back, me don't know, but like he's in the water, I didn't try reach to the shore. But it's come like each step him step, radam. Him take another step and radam, and that is a lesson in life. Sometimes you just have crosses. Sometimes I can't explain, sometimes you just want to wash off. Crosses. You get me? So just watch. Nah, man, that's the nigger spiritual song when them dip and fall back. That is it in motion right there. Dip and falling back, him not once, not twice, almost about 3 times back to back. The brother does a drop. So at some point, it's like, listen, me not just make the water carry more. Because clearly this is not for me. Not even being, me don't want to be 9 night, just oh, me that still have trauma. But burritos, let me know, when the last time you actually drop? I have like an embarrassing moment. When last? And number 1 goes to best tour driver in Jamaica. Woo! Woo! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. So number 1 goes to best tour driver in Jamaica. And this is all about this brother with name Needle. What a name, boy. If I picture a youth have the name, but him name Needle Tours, that's his business page, so go and go check him out, right? And so this group of women, they came here visiting Jamaica, and he was their driver, them chaperone, them tour guide, and they spoke about the experience in such a fantastic way that all me who don't know the youth, me feel like me don't want to just say, you know, encourage all of my family members them to go and travel with him. And so just listen to their assessment.
You and your crew going to Jamaica? Let me put y'all on the best driver ever. I'm talking about he deserves his own post. He's a vibe. Look at him. He even outside with us. He showed out for us on my mama's birthday, and we showed out for him in the worst one. He was out from morning. He made sure we no fight. Make sure you tell him, we love you. It's your turn.
So much.
You take care of us, you know.
$1 million. Nobody cry. Nobody cry. We love you, honey. No, we love you, babes. We love you.
My respect.
Now, man, when you can get foreign people to come here, so, and enjoy you so much that them take upon themselves to go and do a video like this, that you not even beg them, you not persuade them, you not beseech them to go and do a video like this and just do it out of the goodness of them heart and then to tip so well. I saw you know you're giving immaculate customer service. This is it. And we can just tell you, say like, this is what they know, like you fully love their profession. You know, you have some people who just do the work because it's a hustle, but like the brother here look like he actually likes meeting people, getting to know them, interacting with them, which is why he is so great at his job. And so, boy, this is definitely the biggest ad you could ever get. Like right now, needle tours, if you just put a like ad budget on the video, talk to the people them know, because this, your bookings, it's going to turn up now. You're not going to have time for all of the people them that is going to come to you. And no, this means now is that you can't even really have a bad day now because the people them say always pleasant, nice and dance. So everybody want the exact same treatment. No. That's how you're going to set up yourself, you know, when you give good customer service. So if you did a dance with them are going to want you to dance with the other people them as well. So, as Mr. Berry does, you know, make sure, say, if you're coming to Jamaica, just go and link up the needle tours. The Instagram page is right there. So go ahead and follow him. And so, yeah, man, definitely love to see it and encourage more Jamaican young men, especially, to be very proactive and to take their profession seriously, whether or not you are a taxi man, a loader man, if you're a farmer, if you're a hustler out on the road, a sell bag juice. Once you love your job and you commit to it and you give good service, like, people are going to show up for you like this, because you can't tell the difference. You can't tell the difference when people have that sort of joy radiating from them internally. So that is it, burritos. So we've come to the end of the Friday edition of the Social Media Countdown. Make sure you like, you comment, you share, you subscribe, all of that. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what was your favorite part of the countdown. And when Bina asked me about the video when it actually dropped, I am going to show it, not now, but I'm going to show it on Monday. And Monday's countdown, I'm going to actually show you the video. Because I didn't want to see when I jump off where place name, Blue Hole, and you want to see if I drop, if you want to see if I make it off, and you want to see if I go back on my yard and ball. So I'm going to show you the full video. Okay, but that's on Monday. Monday social media countdown. So anyway, back to things now. So make sure you say you're going to follow me on all my social media platforms at DuttyBerryShow, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, all over. And to advertise within the social media countdown, shoot me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Take care until next time. Woohoo!
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama where you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happened on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.